How to mention someone in Instagram story without showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can mention someone in Insta story without showing. Now before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step you'll need to do is open up your Instagram. After you've opened up your Instagram, you can then start with creating a story. So tap on your story on the top right. Then select a picture that you want to add to your story. Now you can make edits if you like, if you can whatever you want to do. You can type something in, you can add stickers and stuff and everything else here. Now finally, after you're done with that, whenever you're ready to mention someone, all you have to do is tap on any place that you want. The text area should open up. Tap on this mention option and start by naming some people that you want to mention. After you've done with that, here you can see you can play around, you can place the text anywhere that you want. So when you pinch the text, it will get smaller and smaller. So you can make it so small that it's not even noticeable anymore, and you can simply hide it somewhere. If you don't want to do that, let me just zoom that in. What you can always do is you can simply move it behind the frame. If you move it behind the frame, the upload the uploaded story will not show the person and you're good to go. Now you can tap on this your story option, tap on share, and then the story is now shared. Now if you don't want to do that as well, if you don't want to type in and hide it inside your story outside the frame, what you can always do is just upload a story without letting anyone see, without tagging anyone. Then open it up and then tap on this mention option. Let me just open that up again. You'll see the mention option at the bottom. Tap on mention, and from here you can start mentioning people that you want. Search for people that you want to mention, select it, tap on done, and then tap on the add option. And without writing anyone's name there, you have just mentioned two people. And yeah, that's how you mention someone in an Instagram story without showing. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.